Welcome to Wondertales. If you're a cake lover, then you need to know the wild journey your chocolate goes on. From bean to cake, it's a tasty adventure. Let's dig in. Speaker 1. Girl. Alright, picture this. Deep in the rainforest, cocoa pods are hanging from trees, just chilling. Inside each pod, loads of gooey beans. Speaker 2. Boy. Farmers crack those pods open and scoop out all the beans. They look nothing like chocolate yet. They're slimy and kind of weird. Speaker 1. Next up, the beans get spread out to dry under the sun. After that, they're roasted just like coffee beans. That's when the magic chocolate smell kicks in. Speaker 2. Now the beans get squished and mashed until they turn into a smooth, chocolatey paste. Add a bit of milk, sugar, and stir it all up. Bam! You've got chocolate. Speaker 1. But wait, how does it end up in your cake? Bakers grab that chocolate, mix it with flour, eggs, and more sugar. Pour it in a pan, bake it, and... Speaker 2. Ta-da! That's how cocoa beans go from jungle pods to your birthday cake. Pretty sweet, right? Speaker 1. So next time you take a bite, remember, you're eating a bean's big adventure.